How to fix this experience is unavailable because its starting place is unpublished in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you on fixing the Roblox error that says this experience is unavailable. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to the official website of Roblox and log into your account. Now, go to the top of the Roblox page and then click on Create. Wait for the page to load, and if you haven't clicked on Create before, you might see a big banner. Simply click on Manage My Experiences below that banner. And now find the game that is causing the error. Choose the game and the titles that match. And on the right side, click on Edit, and this will launch Roblox Studio, which is where you can fix the issue. Once the Roblox Studio is loaded, you will see a default template that I quickly created. Now go to the top left corner of the Roblox Studio and then click on File. Then select Publish to Roblox, and you can choose either Publish As or just Publish to Roblox. Both options work. After a moment, you should see a message in the bottom left corner that says Published New Changes. And now return to the Roblox and refresh it. You should see the same game, and now the play button is available. It's that simple. Even if you have saved it to Roblox before, you just need to publish it again. And if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.